Hello, everyone. Today, I want to share something that truly matters to me: how to speak English. Learning English changed my life. It gave me new opportunities, helped me connect with people, and made me dream bigger. When I first began, I was nervous. I didn't know many words, and my accent felt different. But I didn't quit. I moved step by step, just like a baby learning to walk. I made mistakes many times, but I kept going. I know some of you feel the same way. Maybe you feel shy when speaking. Maybe you're scared of making mistakes or worried people will laugh at you. But listen, mistakes are part of learning. If you don't try, you won't improve. Speaking English is like learning how to swim. At first, the water looks scary and deep, but once you step in, you slowly get used to it. The more you practice, the more confident you become. One of the best ways to improve is by listening. When you listen to English often, your ears start to recognize the sounds. You learn how words are said and pick up new phrases without even trying. It's just like music. The more you listen, the more you understand. Another great way to improve is by practicing. You can talk with friends or even talk to yourself. Yes, talking to yourself works. You can imagine conversations, ask yourself questions, and answer them. The more you speak, the better you get. And don't stress about using big words. You don't need them. Simple words are enough. Just say what you want to say, even if it's not perfect. People will understand you, and over time, your vocabulary will grow. When I was learning, I used to worry that people would laugh at me. But then I realized something. If I stay silent, I'll never improve. So I started speaking anyway. And you know what? Most people were kind. They helped me instead of laughing. So if you feel nervous, that's okay. It's normal. But don't let fear stop you. Take a breath, smile, and speak. The more you do it, the easier it becomes. Another thing that helped me was reading out loud. When you read aloud, your brain gets used to both seeing and saying the words. It's like training your muscles. The more you practice, the stronger you become. Also, don't be afraid to ask for help. If you don't know how to say something, just ask. Everyone needs help sometimes, and that's how we learn. Most importantly, believe in yourself. If you keep telling yourself, "I can't do this," it will feel difficult. But if you say, "I can learn this," you will start to see progress. Learning English is like climbing a mountain. You don't reach the top in one jump. You take one step, then another, and another. Before you know it, you're at the top. So start today. Speak as much as you can. Don't worry about mistakes. Don't wait for perfection. Just speak. In the end, learning English is like growing a tree. You water it every day, and slowly it grows. One day, you'll look at it and see how strong and tall it has become, and you'll feel proud because you didn't give up. I remember the first time I had a full conversation in English. My heart was beating fast, my hands were sweaty, and my voice was shaking. I was scared of saying the wrong thing, but I still spoke. Even though I made mistakes, I felt proud because I tried. Speaking English is not about being perfect. It's about having courage. Every time you speak, you improve. It's like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. When I started learning, I watched movies and TV shows in English. At first, I didn't understand much, but I kept watching. I paid attention to how people spoke, their body language, and their expressions. I learned that speaking is not just about words. It's also about feelings. If you want to connect with people, show your emotions. Smile when you're happy. Look confused when you don't understand. Use your hands. Communication is more than words. It's how you express yourself. Sometimes you might feel stuck. You might think, "I've been learning for so long, but I'm not improving." That's normal. Learning a language takes time. Some days you move fast, other days it feels slow. But even when it feels slow, you're still moving forward. What helped me was setting small goals. I didn't try to be perfect in one day. One day I focused on new words. Another day I worked on pronunciation. Little by little, I improved. And don't forget to celebrate your progress. If you learn a new word or have a small conversation, be proud. Every step counts. I also kept a simple journal in English. Every night, I wrote about my day using easy sentences. It helped me think in English. You don't need to write a lot. Even one sentence is enough. Try to think in English too. At first, you may translate from your language, but slowly try to think directly in English. With practice, it becomes natural. Another helpful thing was practicing with friends. We would meet and only speak English. At first, it felt awkward, but later it became fun. We laughed at our mistakes and learned together. You might also feel scared to talk to native speakers. I felt that too. But most people are kind. They don't expect perfection. They understand you are learning, and when they correct you, it helps you grow. There will be days when you feel tired or frustrated. You might feel like giving up. But remember, you are stronger than you think. You already started, and that takes courage. English can connect you to the world. It helps you travel, meet new people, and learn about different cultures. It opens many doors. So when you feel like quitting, remember your reason. Think about your future, speaking confidently, making friends, achieving your dreams. Be patient with yourself. Learning a language is not easy, but you are making progress every day. There will be moments when you surprise yourself. Maybe you understand something easily or speak without thinking too much. Those moments show your growth. I was once just like you, scared, unsure, and making mistakes. But I kept going. And if I can do it, so can you. I remember a day in a park when someone asked me for directions in English. For the first time, I spoke without fear. My English wasn't perfect, but they understood me and smiled. That moment felt amazing. That's when I realized English is not just a language, it's a tool to connect people. I also practiced English in my daily life. I described things around me, thought in English, and spoke during simple tasks. These small habits made a big difference. I even acted out scenes from movies just to practice speaking. It might sound funny, but it worked. The more I practiced, the more natural it felt. And here's something important. You don't need to know everything. You don't need every word. Simple communication is enough. Celebrate every success. Even ordering food in English is a big win. Every step matters. And don't be afraid of mistakes. In fact, celebrate them. Mistakes show that you are trying, and every mistake teaches you something new. You are not alone. Millions of people are learning English just like you. Everyone feels nervous sometimes. If you feel stuck, remember, learning is a journey, not a race. Some days are fast, some are slow. Both are okay. Confidence is very important. It doesn't come from perfection. It comes from trying and believing in yourself. Speak with confidence, even if you're unsure. People feel your energy more than your grammar. Also, surround yourself with English. Listen to music, watch movies, read books. The more you see and hear it, the easier it becomes. Make learning fun. Play games, sing songs, join groups. Find what works for you and stay consistent. And always be kind to yourself. You are doing something brave. At the end of the day, remember your reason. Whether it's for work, travel, or personal growth, hold on to it. English is more than words. It's a bridge to new experiences, friendships, and opportunities. So keep going, keep speaking, never give up. One day, you will look back and smile, and you will say, I did it. Thank you for listening.